Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In today's video, we're going to talk about how you can get instant funding for your side business, your side hustle. If you are a gig worker, if you work for Instacart, if you work for Lyft, Uber, if you have an Etsy business, Amazon business, eBay business, this is a awesome instant funding option for those of you who need money very quickly and you do not have perfect credit and you're needing money very quickly. This is definitely the video for you. Also, make sure that you like this video if you find this video valuable. Also, I will be doing a Cash App giveaway, actually multiple Cash App giveaways in the month of April. I will be giving out at least $50 to multiple winners throughout the month of April. So make sure that you are subscribed. Make sure that you have the bell notifications turned on for all videos, and also make sure that you comment down below your Cash App username, because I'm going to randomly pick a video and I'm going to randomly pick someone in the comments to actually give out the money to in the month of April. It will actually be more than one person, so subscribe and stay tuned for that. I am doing this to show appreciation for all of the subscribers, all of the viewers that I get, and also to help out with the rising gas prices, the different things that's going on right now. So again, make sure that you are subscribed.
Wait a minute, really quickly. If you have bad credit or you even have decent credit, but you want to boost your credit and get negative items off of your credit report, like collections, repossessions, late payments, and inquiries, we teach you how to sweep your credit report and get items removed within as little as 30 to 60 days. It's a DIY ebook bundle that I just came out with that is going to help you clean your credit and boost your score up to 100 points or even more. We give you the ebook as well as information on how to structure your credit report to get high limit approvals. So these videos that you've been watching about getting $30,000, $50,000, or even $40,000 loans, you've tried to get approved for them and you got denied. It's because you have negative items on your credit report or way too many inquiries. So if you want to fix that, you should check out this DIY credit repair ebook bundle. You also get bonus information on how to boost your credit with no credit check, credit builder accounts, as well as a secret lenders list. Check it out right now. Link is in the description.
Okay, so Giggle Finance offers up to $5,000 in instant funding. You can even get this funding if you are an independent contractor, if you do not have an actual LLC or an actual incorporated business and you're self-employed and you file 1099 taxes, you can still get this particular funding from Giggle Finance. They also are not checking your credit. They're not doing any hard credit checks. It does not affect your credit to apply. So you can use this funding, for example, if your car breaks down, if you are doing Uber, you need some repairs or something like that, you can get this fast funding to handle that pretty much instantly. So once you apply, you'll get an instant approval. So how this approval process works is you're going to apply, you're going to connect your bank account through the Plaid platform. They're going to analyze 3 months of your banking history and they're going to give you an approval based off of your banking history. So there are no hidden fees. You get a flexible payment schedule. Now, so in order to get qualified, again, you have to be one of these types of business owners. Really and truly, anybody can actually apply for this. It really doesn't matter. Even if you are a freelancer working on Fiverr or Upwork, you still can apply for this. Even if you do house cleaning and stuff like that on care.com. So this particular funding is pretty much like a advance on the income that you usually get. You're going to get an advance based off of the money that you make, those particular platforms that I just mentioned, based off of the deposits that you get in your bank account. So when it comes to qualification requirements, there aren't any credit requirements. The way that you get approved is when they are analyzing your bank statements. So they use that to determine what your business can afford. So they require, again, at least 3 months in banking history to qualify. You shouldn't have any overdrafts or anything like that within the last 90 days. So if you do, that's honestly probably one of the only reasons why you would get denied. Now, disclaimer, that is not the only reason why you could get denied. There could be other reasons and other factors why you could get denied. So this is what the application looks like. This application really shouldn't take you no more than 5 minutes to complete. So you're going to fill out your information. Then you're going to connect your bank account through Plaid. You're going to give them your business information if you have one. You're going to tell them if you work for Lyft or Uber, you'll select that. You'll also select how much you want. You can get up to $5,000. Again, once you have done all of that, they will give you an answer very quickly. Once you are approved, you can then go ahead and access your funds through your bank account. You should be able to get those funds very quickly. They'll also tell you what the payments will be. So if you don't like the payment structure or anything like that, you do not have to accept it. So that's pretty much it for this video. It was a really quick video. Again, if you found this video valuable, make sure that you like this video. Also, comment your Cash App down below. Make sure that you subscribe. Hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.